Welcome back to the What's Lights app tutorial series. I am Donny, your sloth guide. In this video, we will learn about single bulb. What is it? Where is it? And why use it? On the bottom of the home screen, you will see it just to the right of the patterns button. The first tip is you can change the background color. This can help you see the bulbs you are trying to build better, or it can just add a cool effect. You will see that we are adding white lit pixels. You are able to add as many as you like across your entire home. Accent the corners or peaks, or just build something funky. Don't forget to add some color. You can adjust each pixel to form whatever your imagination can conjure. I like pink, so I'm going to add many pink pixels. I would like to see you try to say that 5 times fast. The real idea behind single bulb is to use it for complete control. Use it to light a certain area of your home for security, or build a special holiday pattern uniquely your own. Don't forget to save your work and name it something clever. This has been Donny, the best app guide in the world. Join us for more insights at whatslights.com. Bye for now.